in the height of the baby boom, it was estimated there were about 85 million baby boomers coming through the real estate market and changing everything for the better. We see that that boom, the baby boom generation, are now kind of moving out of the larger homes and moving into condos, and we're sitting there sometimes and wondering what's going to take their place. You know, everybody spoke about how the baby boomers changed every institution that they moved through, and I think sometimes nervous as to what's going to happen once they're gone, or even more so, how are we going to market and promote ourselves to the next generation. The interesting thing is that there are currently 86 million millennials following the boomers. A million more than there were boomers in the heyday in North America alone. And this segment, this demographic, are extremely comfortable, have grown up with technology, and in order to capture that segment, we have to start looking at marketing and promoting ourselves in mediums that they are much more comfortable in using. Even the baby boomers today are accessing mobile devices and applications, and the reason being is that they're portable, they're affordable, and they can basically be used anytime, any place, from anywhere. It's an entire revolution that's coming out, and it's just becoming more and more part of our everyday lives. And it's that segment that we want to talk to you about and offer you a product that we developed for smartphones, an application that we think will do a lot to brand your name in this next generation, or the boomers who are using applications. We've developed a product called Move in Hand, which is a relocation application. It basically walks the user through the entire relocation process from when they're just starting to think about moving right through until, you know, they are actually settling into their new home. So it's a fantastic product. The interesting thing about it is it's not real estate centric. Boomers, as well as the next millennium, the next group, are very aware of marketing. You know what somebody's trying to sell you and how they're trying to get your attention. This product allows you to take the high ground on this, because you're basically partnering with a prospective client or a client, and you're giving them information that actually adds real value to your service offering. You're not just trying to get a listing or sell a home. You're actually helping them through a very, very stressful process. Relocating, moving, is still one of the top 3 stressors in our lives. So this application allows them to walk through the entire process with a number of to-do lists. It keeps them on track and on time. It allows them to shop for services and suppliers, and it allows them to track all of the expenses on the entire process. And they can actually email those expenses to an accountant or to a human resource professional, or just keep them for their own personal records. So the application is very useful, and it allows you to, as I say, position yourself as a trusted advisor and a smart individual to work with. Now, as I mentioned, the application is customizable. So your brand appears on top of the application, and you have an introductory paragraph to introduce yourself and your services to a client, and actually ask for a referral in the intro. It's very simple to purchase. It's a subscription product. So you basically, all that you do is you send in your information, your email, your name, email, website. You send in a logo, or what you want to appear on the application, keeping in mind that you're working with a small space, but we'll go into that in more detail. And you choose an introduction, or write your own introduction for the application, and we generate an app for you. We give you a link to either BlackBerry, Android, or the iPhone store, and they download the application and put your password in it, and they receive your customized app on their smartphone. Now, the beautiful thing about that is they're not going to throw away their smartphone. You're not on a website. So we talk about mobile websites, but a website, you can click off of a website and onto a competitor's site. An application is actually a piece of software that they download onto their phone. So your brand, your name, your logo, your look is implanted on the most personal thing we own today, our smartphones. So there's a fantastic marketing opportunity out there. It's very inexpensive, and it positions you as a leader in your industry, and it allows you to access 86 million potential customers through a medium that they are comfortable with. You don't have to be a mechanic to drive a car. You don't have to worry about the technology on this. We set it up for you. All that you do is steer your clients to your app, and the rest is taken care of by ourselves. So please speak to one of our move-in-hand distributors. I think you're going to find it a fantastic product, very affordable, and it's a market segment you can't ignore. Thank you very much for your time.